Hi there, it's Mrs. Creeves. I just wanted to give you a way to take your screenshot so that you know like how this process goes. So what you want to do is you're on your home page here. This is really blank because it's the beginning of the year. Usually there's going to be some news items here for you. So you're going to go into your content, and if you're taking a picture of your unit map, then you should be done with everything that's in lesson 6.1. And there's a lot that's in there. And this will be true for 6.1 and 7.1. You'll see this lesson begin here link. And then this is where you went to take your pre-assessment, and then your learning path will show up in your unit map. So when you are all done, you've taken your pre-assessment, you have all these check marks, your unit map, if you click on it, everything will have check marks. Right now, I didn't do it, so it doesn't have check marks, but that's where I want to go. So let's review where we go to get the screenshot. So we are in content. We go to that lesson 6.1 begin here link. We click on unit map and we scroll down. You might need to take two pictures. Some of these units are pretty big, but I can fit it right in there. But when you take your screenshot, make sure you get lesson 6.1, begin here, and you get this whole thing so that I see that everything has a check mark next to it, because I need to double check that you've gotten all the check marks next to that before you move on, because it's really, really important that we don't miss anything. So if you have any questions from that, once you take that screenshot, like here's me taking a screenshot right now. Once I take that screenshot, I'm going to save it to my drive. So I will do that while you guys are listening here, and I'm just going to save it into like my downloads or something so that I have it. Okay, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to content. And here is where I have this lesson 6.1 screenshot. So I click on that, and then I'm going to hit add attachments, and I'm going to go add attachments and upload. And then if I go to my recent downloads, I didn't title it, but you should maybe title yours, lesson 6.1 or something. And then I will hit update, and I will get an email that says your Dropbox has been done successfully, and you will be able to see that you can move forward. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know, but that's your video on how to submit your screenshot for your lessons. Take care.